Hello and welcome to another Kingsmen production. Today's video is intended for existing ambassadors and people that are looking to sign up for the Kingsmen Ambassador program. We just want to make it really easy for everyone to figure out how to use this thing. I just hope this video is helpful for you guys. So what is the Kingsmen Ambassador Program? Let's talk about that for a second. So the Ambassador Program is a program that we offer to loyal Kingsmen customers and also content creators who are interested in earning cool rewards and commissions on activities and product referrals. So how do you sign up? Well, the way you sign up is you go over to the kingsmanbeardclub.com website and then you just click the Ambassador Program link here, and then there's a little form that you fill out with your information, your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, your website links, and some information about you. Typically within 48 to 72 hours, one of us will have a look at your application and then we'll approve you from there. So who are we looking to join and what are the expectations? We're looking for bearded gentlemen who are active on social media or YouTube to share your experience with Kingsmen. There are limited spots available in the ambassador program, so all we ask to remain an ambassador is that you have at least one activity or one product referral per month. I'm going to show you guys how easy to do that right now. So this is actually logged into my ambassador account, as I myself am an ambassador. And if you scroll to the very bottom of the page, you'll see that there is a shareable referral link. So when you put this link into your Instagram or your descriptions on your YouTube videos or whatever, if someone clicks this link and makes a purchase, then you earn points towards rewards. So I just want to talk about activities for a minute. So there's two ways to earn points. Of course, there's activities and then there's sales referrals. Now there's going to be some changes with the sales referrals, and I'm going to go into that a little bit closer to the end of the video, but let's just touch on activities for now. So I'm going to click the activities tab. There's a few activities here that are available to you right from the start. I do want to mention that there's actually 7 different tiers available to you, and you basically level up based on how many points you have. So we're just going to look at that real quick here. Maybe I'll make this a little bit bigger. So these are the 7 different tiers, and if when you're between 1 and 199 points, then these are the rewards that you qualify for. Tier 2, these are the points, and these are the rewards that you qualify for, and so on. So what you'll find is once you level up and you click on the rewards tab, there's going to be a whole lot more here, but this is basically what you get at the tier 1 level available to you. But let's go back to activities again. Okay, so there's 6 different activities that you can do to earn points. There's of course commissions through sales referrals. You can make an ambassador product post, regular product post, a lifestyle post, a product review on the Kingsmen Beard Club website, or you can create a YouTube video, some sort of a review on Kingsmen. Now, in order to actually get these points, it's not enough to just make a post on Instagram and tag Kingsmen Beard Club in the post. You have to actually log into your ambassador account, and then let's say I were to make a product post on Instagram and I have a photo of the product. I would actually click here, and then I would take the link from Instagram and put it in here and then click submit. Then once you submit that, usually within 48 to 72 hours, someone will have a look at your post, someone will have a look at your submitted activity, and it will be approved or denied from there. So it's the same with all of these. If you're making a YouTube video, for example, you just click on the YouTube video link, you copy your link from your YouTube video, and you hit submit. It's as easy as that. Now, when it comes to rewards, at the tier 1 level, these are the rewards that are available to you. So for example, you can get 20% off on your next order. Minimum purchase amount is $14.99. That'll cost you 40 points, or you can get like free standard shipping on your next order if you use up 20 points. Now, if we click on the referrals tab here, this is where you can actually see how many points you've earned through referral sales, and also what was purchased and which customer purchased them. So this is what's actually changing. Currently, we have it set up so that 300 points you can cash out as a $20 PayPal payment, but we're actually working on making it so any sales referral you actually end up getting a 20% commission on. So what that means is if someone goes to the Kingsman website, purchase $100 worth of product, you would get $20 show up in your ambassador account. Now, we haven't really decided on what the minimum payout amount is yet, but I mean the standard is usually somewhere between 50 and 100 US dollars, so it's probably going to be somewhere in that range. So be on the lookout for that. That's something that's coming soon. If you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to reach out to us on our Instagram. If you have questions about any of these tabs, how do you use them, put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks for listening to me go through this for you guys, and hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.